wholesale proses sebenarnya.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Saturday inaugurated the Cluster Development Fund project at Symper, an initiative undertaken by the Right South Symper to preserve the environment. In his speech, Lyngdoh spoke at length about sustainable development, adding that this could be achieved through the active cooperation and participation of the local communities. He also assured the Right South Symper that they will work together to strengthen and preserve this place.
Basin Development Agency ki Rangba Baiban Blakan Lampan Benya Regat Bat Kidiki Foot Soldiers Rumpi Hendai Spakmut ki Balai Tray Regat Ban Penang Yakni ke project Berjok Kumai Nirandap dan Laisi Menshua Mandrake Yaka World Environment Day Bat Mesu Kabaya hapa kani kajini kedua mendakan operasi